In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Bill.com account. If you follow along on your screen, you will be able to create your account step by step and then reach your dashboard, where you can start managing billing and business payments. First, you will need to go to the Bill.com account. Sign up page. Open your web browser and type in Bill.com. Then look for the option that takes you to signing up. Make sure you are on the official sign up page before you enter any information. This helps you avoid any mistakes and ensures your details are sent to the right place. Next, click the Get Started or Sign Up button. On most versions of the site, this button is located in the top right corner of the homepage, so it is usually easy to spot. Take a moment to look for that button. Then click it once. You are doing this because it tells the website that you want to create a new account rather than just viewing general information. After you click Sign Up or Get Started, you will be asked to provide your business information. When you see the form, enter your business name and the contact information requested by the page. Use the details that you want associated with your company account, since this information may be used for verification and account management. If the page includes an email field, enter your business email address there, and if it asks for contact details, enter the correct contact information as prompted. At this stage, you will also need to input your business information as requested. The form may ask for details like your industry, your company size, and your billing address. Fill these out carefully. The industry and company size fields help Bill.com tailor the experience and recommended setup options. The billing address is important because it is tied to the financial and billing side of your account, so it should match your real business location and billing details. Once you have completed the form, review what you entered. This is a good moment to double-check spelling, numbers, and the accuracy of the address fields. Even small errors can cause issues later, especially when you are trying to connect payments or verify your business. If you notice anything incorrect, go back and fix it before proceeding. Now you will click Get Started to submit your information. Look for the button labeled Get Started on the Sign Up page, then click it. This action submits your details and moves you to the next part of the setup process. If the website loads slowly, just wait for it to finish and avoid clicking repeatedly. After you submit, you are ready to navigate your dashboard. Your dashboard is the main control area where you can manage your account settings and view the tools Bill.com provides. Spend a moment getting oriented by looking for the navigation menus and the main sections on the screen. If there are any prompts or options shown right after sign up, follow them in the order they appear, since that is usually the best path for a smooth start. That is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know. Once you are on your dashboard, you can continue with the next setup steps at your own pace and begin using Bill.com for your business billing and payment workflows.